The future is now. ChatGPT, GPT-4, and a slew of competing AI models are all the rage right now. So let's look at them. Hi, I'm Willem Osich, and welcome to Botsplash TV. Last year, on November 30th, ChatGPT was made public by Microsoft-backed startup OpenAI. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot that is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response to that prompt. On March 14th of this year, OpenAI followed up ChatGPT with ChatGPT-4. GPT-4 is multimodal, which means that it can generate content from both image and text prompts, and it builds upon its predecessor. These AI models have taken the world by storm, and people all over are using them as learning tools, search engines, and even knowledge bases. Have you played with ChatGPT? What OpenAI tools say about Botsplash? Please let us know in the comments below. I'm Willem Osich, and thank you for watching Botsplash TV.